So what are you eating, Stephen?
A biscuit.
And what are you drinking?
Chocolate milk.
Do you like your snack after your nap?
Mm-hmm.
What's the best part about it?
Chocolate milk and a cookie.
And it's a treat after your nap?
Yeah.
Here, I'll have to get my biscuit too. See, Papa's got a biscuit.
Me too.
Mm-hmm. Have you had a cookie like that, a biscuit like that before?
Yeah. You should know yesterday. And you said yes.
But you got it just as a treat for waking up happy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's that coming out?
Oh no.
Take a look. I think I hear somebody coming.
Oh look, our biscuits.
You have biscuits?
Caramel how persimmons me.
Say what? I didn't catch that.
Persimmon what?
Drink some milk. Grandma's getting a treat too.